Flip app withdrawal. So here I just reach out to their support and they say to unlock the create tab, place an order to review an item or share a desired video. So you can only withdraw money here if you basically purchase some product from Flip app and you can do a video overview of that specific product. You can't just post some video overviews of some random videos or just like TikTok. No, you literally need to review some product from this app. Or there is a desire video, which is something new. Maybe you want some product from this marketplace and you create a desire video. And then after posting, you will see your post stats update in your creator dashboard. And then you can earn by video views and by sales. You're getting commission from sales of this product, which you'll include link to, or just from views, similar as on YouTube. And then you can just tap cash out button and then cash out via Flip Cash or Stripe. Then you just connect. Then you can just connect your Stripe account. So that's where it is. You can basically see it here. That's you see a wallet and then you see a creator earnings and then you just tap to cash out from here. So you can also just use Flip Cash in here. But Flip Cash, you can just use it to buy additional products. So there you have it.